Hello, this is Dr. Jorge Velastegui again, and this is the second of 4 in my Powtoon tutorial series. So in this tutorial series, for this specific video, I'm going to show you how to create a Powtoon presentation from a template. And using a template is actually pretty straightforward. So once you log in and you have your basic home screen dashboard here, don't use the scratch option. Don't do it scene by scene. Use customize a popular template. So click on this. And there's many different options to choose from. So there's for work, personal, education, holidays, tutorials, blah, blah, all kinds of fun stuff here. Since I'm a teacher, I like to use the education. I've seen the student ones because our students are going to be using this in the classroom. I like the teacher one, and I've used it in my class because they're pretty much tailor-made for teacher presentations. So I'll show you all of them, and you can see, let's see, different ones. And if you click on it, here's one for like a student resume. So preview the resume. One of the things I really like about Powtoons is that it just flows as a movie. It seems like it's advanced animation, but it's actually not that hard to create one of these. And I love when the hands come flying in, and it's a really unique program. So let's see. Here's 2 good teacher ones that I like. I'm going to show you this one. I think I am funny, and friendly, but I don't know how much my students would like that. I like this one. Okay, so I previewed the project and I decided that that's going to fit my goals. So I selected that as my template, and as it loads its awesomeness, we're going to see the template pop up on the left side, and that we're able to edit it right here in the middle. Okay, so here's the first slide. And as I said before, the key things to see are that there's 2 options when you edit. There's the timeline option, and then there's like the graphic and text option. So do you see how there's 5 things right here? These are the different texts that come out. So they actually have a text box for each of those words, and they timed it for when it comes out. Here's the animated guy, and here's the text box. So there's a background, and there's 5 components to this picture. Now, when you want to, this is going to be in my next video, the more advanced video, change the timing, you'd have to go into the timeline. But for the sake of creating a basic presentation, we're not going to worry about the timeline in this video as we create a Powtoon presentation from a template. So, and if you look over here on the far left, you already have a layout picked out, so you don't need to worry about that. You don't need to worry about the background text. Okay, so you're basically going to just change what they already have. So let's see what they have. This one says, hello, awesome students. This one says, it's going to be an amazing year. Okay, here's some things we're going to cover in my class. He talks about different projects. He talks about another project. He talks about a third project. Okay, I'm probably thinking that he's talking about too many projects. So right here, if you click on one of these, you click on these three little dots right here, you have different options. You could duplicate the slide, add a slide, or trash it. I'm going to trash this one because we don't need it. So let's get rid of that one. That makes it shorter. We have required readings for the semester, and then we have the final project. And the whole project actually isn't that long. If you see here, it's only about a minute and 5 seconds. So basically, it's fairly straightforward. You click on it, and then if you want to change any of this, just go ahead and type it out and change it. So I actually don't like how there's different text boxes. So I click all those text boxes. I don't like to put it all in right here like this. So click on it and then just type your name. Hi, my name is Dr. V. Notice how it didn't fit, so we could move this around. There you go. And just like any word processing document, you could change the fonts right here. You can change the size, although the size is somewhat limited. 45 is pretty big. You can make it bold, underline, center, whatever you desire. Make text bigger. You could change the color. Oh, this is my favorite. You could add the effects. So click on the effects, and what do you want to happen when the text pops in? If you click this, it just, nothing happens. I love this one. I think it's so cool. I like to use that one a lot. But it'll show you right here what it's going to look like. This one, it just pops in. This one, they fly in. This one, they drop in. Fly in. Effect looks like this. Letters. I don't remember what it had before, but I like using the hands. So I'm going to apply the hands. And so now that's how it's going to, that's when the text is shown, the little hand's going to write it. Well, that's pretty much, okay. Another thing to know is the transitions. Say you don't like the transitions. I like those, I like the hands. I like the pull down, I like the roller, squeegee. And again, when you click on these, you could see what's going to happen. So I'm going to click the roller for that one. And you can change any of those that you like. And if you want to see what it looks like so far, click on the first one. Oh no, problem. It was too short, so we could add a few seconds to this one. So let's see what happens. Let's go back up to this. There we go. Oh, perfect. That's good. So you got to mess with it and see what works and see what fits. And again, if you don't like all these things, you could take them out and just do your whatever text you want. It's pretty straightforward. Using a template is really, really easy and straightforward to use. So, and you could change this to talk about your tests, your assignments, add, delete text, and there you have it. That's how you create a Powtoon presentation from a template.